So today is the second day on the unknown adventure in Oregon. Yesterday it was good. We hang out in the Alvord desert, and also the trails was fun to getting here. So the trails, the sceneries changed. It was a little bit more the high speed off-roading, and then getting into the camp spot. It was a little bit rocky, so that was fun too. And the view was amazing, right? This is something that I cannot see from East Coast. That's the reason why I'm driving all the way here to see this, and I'm really appreciate that I have a time to get here, right? So last night when we got here right before the sunset. That was perfect timing. That is our goal, getting to the camp spot before the sunset starts. So we had our time to enjoy, have dinner together, and just relax. There was a lot of stars over here last night, so we got to see it. But at the same time, everyone's a little bit tired, so we all went to sleep early. So that being said, today's goal is to we're about to leave this camp spot. I'm really gonna miss this view and this area. I don't know when is the next time I'm gonna be here, but today's goal is going to the hot spring is around here, where we gotta do a little bit of the off-roading a little bit, and then hike. And then once that is done, we're gonna head out to the city, so that small town, so that we can get fill up the gas and pick up some food. And then from there, we're gonna get back on the trail. And I don't know what the trail looks like, because it's a very unknown place to us. So yeah, let us take you guys up there, right? Alright guys, so we did some off-roading. We decided to come down to do water crossing. So we got, of course the Jeep is fine, but we had Tundra over here, but Tundra was able to make it down too. So it was really fun off-roading, adding into it in this trail. So yeah, and what we find out is this is like another great camp spot too, by the water. There's a rock covering everywhere too. And yeah, I feel like this will be a really great one. Definitely next time we're gonna camp here. But let's keep moving. Alright guys, so we did the water crossing and this is another great camping spot and nice view. So it's like a lunchtime here, so we decided to just take a lunch over here, right? So on this trip, we do have rough plan what we want to do, but same time, you know, depends on what the trail is giving to us, our situation. We just go by flow too, right? With this nice view and everything, I know there's a hot spring over there, but our plan a little bit changed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna go into the cold water, right? I don't know when's the next time I'm gonna come here, but I'm gonna be able to jump into water in Canyon View. Why not, right? It's freaking cold, but I'm still gonna do it. Ah! Wow! Ah! Oh! Oh, feels good. Oh, he's a man. Pretty good, right? Wakes me up. Actually, it's better than hot spring for the body, I think. Right there, very narrow over there. I gotta go all. Alright, guys.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Alright guys, so far Jeep came out no problem, and GS came up no problem. So now another challenge would that be Tundra over there. So let's see. Passenger a little bit.
Passenger a little bit?
Yeah, that's good. It's clear.
No. Now your dip is clear. Okay, now just keep on going. Keep on going. Slow because your dip may hit again. Yeah.
Oh no, he's gonna hit it.
Yeah.
I see it.
Should we winch him up before we put rocks on there? Back up a little bit more. Okay.
That's enough.
And then do hard passenger.
Not too hard.
Okay, and then just a little bit
No,
fast.
yeah, a little bit.
No, I got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just do one.
Damage. Okay, okay, go on.
Yeah, do it. Come forward a little bit.
Straight or what?
A little driver. Okay, and then come straight. Come forward. Come forward. Forward. Go.
Yes. Woo!
Try out different lights.
All right, so it was Ray. All right. All right, so Tunja was fine, so we all got up, but we still have a Rob with his dog that he needs to take care of it, so we're just gonna have to wait for him. But what a view from here to there, guys. All right, we got out. Now we're getting back to the trails and going out. But what a view, what an experience that we had. It's another memory that we're keeping it. With this type of the trails, if the road is good, then you can also do a high speed off-roading. So you can hit about like 40-50 miles and just keep going. That's another fun too. You just got to watch out the bump. So, you know, the person who goes in the front gotta kind of direct, inform to the others, right? Since I'm in the front, I can see everything, but people behind me, they have to go through with the dust, right? So look at this view, guys. Happy pepper, Derek. Oh! So here we go. Watch out. Alright guys, we made to town of the Rum. It was fun, high speed trails to get down here. So we're gonna fill up the gas. There is some you know, things to pick up some food. We need to fill it up. So yeah, we're gonna take our time over here, but it was such a fun trail. All right guys, so we're gonna be on back to the trails.
All right guys, we're going back to the trail. Go. What else do I say?
Come on, you want to be a YouTuber?
I know I'm not, I'm a new YouTuber. We're going back to the trail, guys. Getting camp for sunset.
Alright, he just say. Alright, we're gonna go find the camping. Alright, see you guys soon. Gosh, 뷰 봐요.
Wow. You can actually go inside too, I believe.
Maybe come check this out tomorrow before we leave.
Yeah. Welcome to Oregon Park.
Okay, go.
Those are 35.5.